software, which also will have some bugs. But a simple AI can make a full functioning software with no bugs or errors in just under 5 to 10 minutes. And people can use it creatively. They just have this and they do not even think about it. They just put it into AI and it will be done. And that way our individuality is getting more and more away from us. In the end, in the conclusion, I would like to say technology is a very dangerous but important tool in our life, which is saving our lives by every single second. And do not let technology make a life the easiest, because life is nothing without fear and adventure. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you so much, Ariana Karim. It was a great speech about technology. Now, let's not delay. From Blue House, I'd like to call Aradhya Pandey from Class 6, Manaslu.
The water we drink, trees, plants and land. Sadly, our environment is in danger. Pollution, deforestation and careless human activities are harming it every day. Now let's go towards sanitation. First of all, what is sanitation? Sanitation is about keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean. Some examples of sanitation are using clean toilets, washing hands with water, planting trees, using less plastic, etc. Poor sanitation can lead to serious diseases, especially in children. It can also lead to pollution of land and water. We can all help reduce environment pollution by using less plastic, planting trees, purifying water, etc. If we want a healthy environment and happy future, we must protect our environment. I would like to end my speech by saying that let's act now before it's too late. Together we can make a big difference. Thank you.
Welcome, very welcome to the charity. Thank you so much. To our respected executive director, sir, principal, sir, seat in charge, sir, judges, teachers, seniors, and my beloved friends. It's me, Nisani Gare from Class 6 Gauri Sarkar, standing in front of you to say a short speech, and the title is Environmental Sanitation. Environment is the surrounding where we live, and sanitation requires cleanliness. Therefore, environmental sanitation means clean and healthy environment. Environmental sanitation also involves hygienic environment, including safe disposal of wastes, and provision of clean water. Nowadays, the environment is becoming polluted. Water, air, food, which are very important for our lives, are becoming polluted. We can reject the fact that overpopulation invites problem and pollution. Overpopulation is responsible for to bring diseases. Similarly, smoke from industry, unorganized and unplanned urbanization, unconcerned humans' attitude, etc. are some horrible and terrible factors of environmental sanitation. It affects health of human and economic aspects such as food and income. Nowadays, the environment has become polluted to such an extent that it is very hard to get pure water to drink breathe, and unpolluted food to eat. So, as we solve this problem, a campaign should be started where a combination of corporation people and government is necessary. Environmental education should be given to all. Environmental education should be given to all. Overpopulation should be controlled. Plantation programs should be launched. Plantation programs should be launched. And then and only there will be a rate of food such as to live happy, healthy and rich life. Let us fight against the environmental pollution and get free from it. This is me, Sani Gade, signing off from this stage from the side speech. Thank you.
Automation boosts productivity, but it can also replace jobs. Our personal data gives us convenience, but it can also raise serious questions about privacy. Here, we all need to understand that technology is just a tool. It can build bridges or barriers depending on how we use it. And in today's world, using it wisely is one of the most important skills we can have. In conclusion, technology is not just shaping our lives, it is shaping our future. And it is up to each one of us to ensure that it respects our planet, preserves our shared humanity, and fits all people. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
अथवा थोरै के जानकारी वर्षमा एक सरहरूले पनि के सजेसन अथवा के नयाँ अपडेट थप्नु पर्यो भने त्यसको लागि के शब्द बोलाले यस स्कुलका फाउन्डर श्री सर विजय सरलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।